This is the police car in that ambush at the gas station. Well, I don't know if it was at the, yeah, it was at the gas station because it hit that pump. But this is the aftermath. RIP to the officer that lost his life. I think another person that was in the a part of the 3-car crash. One of them was also has passed, and earlier in the videos, the reporter said that she saw one person at the hospital leave in handcuffs. But sad to say that the Memphis police officer who was in this vehicle did pass away.